Hey everyone, I'm here at Dollar Tree to show you some of the terrific finds. You might want to buzz in when you get a minute and check these out. They only carry these typically during the springtime, so go take a look quick. One of my favorites are these tubs. They have a folding lid and they're stackable. And I use these to store my spice packets. I get about 30 in one container. And also these stacking planter tubs. These things are terrific for planting lettuce, herbs, strawberries. Those are wonderful, great price. And lots of variety for planter boxes and tubs, as well as a lot of gardening equipment, hand rakes, shovels, gardening gloves, kneeling pads, you name it, they've got it. Seeds especially, snap those up if you see them. And a lot of good planter tubs that are good size, especially for $1.25. And all of these cute little gnomes and whatnot, if you're into decorating your garden, that'd be a fun project with smaller kids. And also my favorite is these fertilizer sticks. These are a terrific deal. And these hangers, snap those up when you see them. You'd be amazed the uses. My favorite is in the laundry room.